Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are concluding Indian Economic Development Unit 1. This day we are taking up most crucial part of Unit 1. In this part of online class, we will analyze questions that were asked in the council examination. In this session, I will examine question papers of past 5 years. Question papers of 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017 and 2016 will be included in our scope of study. Before coming directly to the questions, let me cite you the importance of today's class. In one of my lectures, I told you that my online class will emphasize in two different aspects. My first endeavor is to enlighten you with the knowledge of the subject matter. The second one is to make you successful in answering council examination. In this connection, I would like to say that success in the examination is a trifold process. It is a joint and a similar effort of three poles. The first pole is teacher, the second one is student, the third one is the society, including your parents, mentors, friends, neighbors, etc. As a teacher, I am doing my best. This question analysis will enable you to learn. Number one, the area from where question may come up in the examination. Masida haibadi ahanbagi si akoigi karamba sarutagi question ji hangakadagi haibadu akoina question analysis tawudagi akoina khangba ngambani khudam oina haikanda akoina unit 1 sida maroi nainaba yaba wafam kharadi agriculture ka mari lena wafam khara industry ka mari lena wafam khara occupational structure ka mari lena wafam sing amadi tongan ba akoigi lalol itik ka mari lena badu wafam sing akoi lena biyai hai basing asigi manung dagi karamba sarukte hen lakani industry dagi lakadra agriculture dagi lakadra natraga atopa occupational pattern dagi question sing lakra haidu akoi haiba asigumba akoi question analysis asi akoi tawdagi akoi ne hen khangani industry hen pagadra agriculture hen pagadra haidu akoi line khangungani. Point number 2, the total marks from this unit. High unit asidagi mark ya lakani akoi na mamang su hana khange 5 marks lakani laiba mark manga asi akoi question sing asi yenga karam makhagi mark total marks si akoi kya hangba ya le haidu akoi sidagi khangni akoi na high question analysis si tawdragadi aina question kya gi adugum attempt tawdoino mark kya khumang amdoino ha unit 1 asi akoi khangmoi aduna question analysis si akoi manung thekna akoi tawragadi high ba mark kya gi unit 1 dagi pagadagi ha do akoi line khangmang ngani ad hum subda distribution of marks among different mark questions high ba akoi gi mark question hai basi akoi manga thong khaidok pe ai ahan bada essay type question da mark nipan hangba adai mathang da akoi gi VS very short answer type question type 1 aduna mark mari hangba akoi very short answer type question mark ani hangba aduga akoi very short answer type akoi mark ama hangba question aduga objective type question haiba question type manga asigi manungda haiba unit asidagi karamba akoi very short answer gi hangadra natraga akoi very short answer type gi hangadra haibna singba si akoi haiba question analysis si tawdagi akoi ne yamna hen line adugum khangba ngangani aigi objective akoi objective type question hen page natraga akoi very short answer type 1 question page natraga akoi gi very short answer type question page haibna singba do akoi haiba analysis si tawdagi akoi ne yamna hen line khangba ngangani aduga mari subra nature of question koi question si karam makhagi question hangani knowledge question oigadra understanding question oigadra aduga akoi analysis question oigadra application question oigadra natraga skill gi question oigadra haibudu akoi haiba question nature mayam si akoi question paper mayam si naina bade akoi yam line khambangani aduna karam bade hene emphasis pigani knowledge question akoi what kumba hai question makhan do koi hena pagadra understanding की क्वेश्चन तो पागदरा नत्रगा एप्लीकेशन की क्वेश्चन तो पागदरा स्किल की क्वेश्चन कोई लाइन उंगे कोई क्वेश्चन तो हेन पागदरा है बितु कोई हाईवा क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस से तौदगी कोई हेन लाइन खंग ngani aduga हाईवा क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस असि तौबदगी अखोई द कानागदौबा मंगासु पॉइंट न करिनो हाय कांदा अखोई कंपोजिशन ऑफ आंसर अखोई ना मार्क अमगी क्वेश्चन ददी अखोई आंसर से पीबो मतमदा अखोई क्याम साना पीगनी खदम ओइन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन ओरगदी ऑप्शन ए बी सी डी लैबदुदगी ए खतम खुमगसु याय अदुगा अखोइना very short answer type question mark amagi hangagadi अखोइना मधु करम मखन की आंसर पीगनी अखोई सेंटेंस अमना खुंबा याबा वर्ड खरना खुंबा याबा नत्रगा वर्ड अमना आंसर पीबा याबा हाइबा चिंगबसिंग अदु अखोई हाइबा क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस असि तौबदगी अखोइना याम लाइना अखोई मतौ करम तौना आंसर खुंगनी आंसर खुंबगी मोंग कमाइन तौनी हाइबदो अखोई क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस असि फजना तौरगदी अखोई मसिदगी सु खंगमंगनी अदुगा तरुक सुब कानाबसी मसिगी बेनिफिट मसिगी अदुगुंबा छात्रसिंगदा खुदोंग चाव फंगदौसी करिनो हाय कांदा familiar with council examination अखोइगी council के examination दा अखोइना क्वेश्चन कमाइना हंगई कमाइना खुमी अदुगा मसि स्कोर कमाइना तौगनी हाइबना सिंगसिंग असि क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस असि तौबदगी अखोइना याम लाइन खंगमंगनी अदुना हाइबा तोगान तोगान बेनिफिट मयाम सि लैबना छात्रसिंगना असिगुम क्वेश्चन एनालिसिस की सेशन असिदगी हेना खुदोंग चाबा हेना कानाबा परीक्षा माइ पांगना अचौब मरम अमा ओइबंगमनी हाइबसी छात्रसिंग थंगे अदुना मखा तारपदा अखोइना अखोइगी पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन सिनरगा अखोइ तोगान तोगान मखनगी अखोइ क्वेश्चन सिंग असि एनालिसिस तौरगा येंगसि अखोइ मखा अम चथरसि
This question analysis is very important. It will play a major role in your success in the examination. As the time is limited, let us discuss everything in brief manner. Ayarimakai matam yamna lawdana honage. Let us give our emphasis to relevant points. Khoi han boina 2020 ki question se khoi lokhalaga yengsi. 2020 ki question sida laire. 2020 da question number 3 da khoi unit 1 da lai. Unit 1 da lai question se yengsi. Which one of the following is considered as one of the most important contribution to the basic infrastructure of the British in India? 1 marks. Option A, B, C, D. Laire. Haiba khoina answer khumamatamda question number 3 answer aduga khoi achumba D sino oibata aragadi D dam khumamgani makha tana railways achibha hapchan duna khoi yari makhai matam lawdana khoi honagani masigi asaw maram masu khoi instruction sida khoi panduna laire in this of the question number 1 to 4 objective type question ni 1 to 4 c there are 4 answers mark A, B, C, D. Only one of them is correct or the best. Choose the correct or the best answer by writing the corresponding letter. So sida hai si khoi letter khoi asumba adugo mansara du A na sumaga A dang khumu B sumaga na B dang harmo C na sumaga C dang harmo D na sumaga D dang harmo habni adugo letter du khak khoi iramaga yare aduna question number हाइबा 3 दा हंगिबा सिगी अखोई एग्जांपल ओइना D सिना सुम्मे हाइबनिना अखोई क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आंसर D हारगा अखोई खुमम मतमदा नंग 1 मार्क अदुम फंगनी अदु याम मतम लौबगी दरकार तादे मरमदी अखोई नेना खंगिबदुनी अखोई ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन नमा अटेम्प्ट तौ मतमदा अखोई 1 मिनिट तगी हेना लौबु याते अदुना मखा तारपदा अखोई 2020 दा यूनिट 1 दगी करी करी हंगी हाइबदो अखोई मु यंगसी क्वेश्चन नंबर अदुगुंबा 9 सिदा अमुकसु हंगी What was the sole purpose of the British colonial rule in India? 1 marks. Adu question number 10 da atopa magasum hangi. Suggest one main cause of stagnation in the agricultural sector in the India during the British rule. 1 mark. Aduna 1 mark piba question number 9 ga 10 ga haiba asigumba section of question sidagi hangi. Aduna sida khoina khangjin ba yabadi haiba type of question sidagi khoina answer piba matamda should be limited to a few words wahi khara or a sentence ama natraga wahi khara na yari makai khoi pakhum pi na honagani haiba 1 mark ki adugumba very short answer type 1 mark ki question attempt taw matamda khoi answer du yaragadi khoi 1 minute ki manung da khoi khumna na honagani aduna question number 10 ga 11 ga khoi answer piba matamda khoi sentence ama natra wahi khara masi khumna na honagani aduga matang sida aina paningba mana haibu question sing asigi answer si ai makhada PDF format ang pirakhigani madudagi question answer du noi hena khangmana hena kanagani hojikti question sing asi khoi analysis makha torga mu yengsi 2020 da khoi question number 27 da amuka hangi haiba unit asidagi hangaiba question adudi analyze the consequences of restrictive trade policy of India under the British colonial rule. Give 2 points. 1 cross 2 is equal to 2. Spine of the haiba 2020 AC khoi objective type ki question number 3 the 1 mark ama question number 9 ga 10 ga 1 mark 1 gi mark ani aduga question number 27 gi khoi 2 marks ki aduga mapiba punna mark manga 2020 da haiba unit asidagi hange aduga mathangda muk akhoi gi 2019 gi question amuk yengsi 2019 laktrige mamang da ina wafam khara panba yabadi 2020 gi question design asi sab manana 2021 da lakani aduga 2019 gi question design asi 2020 ga khitang khena balai akhoi gi mark ahum piba mari piba natraga ani piba asina singba khara khenai adubu akhoina satra singi ondi akhoi hoju challiba session asi satra singi ondi 2020 gi question design asi sa manana khoi lakani 2019 natraga makmangi 18 17 16 masi khar khar khenai adubu area of akhoi gi unit 1 dagi laiba akhoi question asi karai dagi hankadagi haibu khoi nainana bugi damangta di akhoi atai question singi paikhatsi adu question design di amuka na hairi basini 2020 ga samana gani 19 natraga mamangi question singari khar khena gani 2019 da haiba unit asidagi question number 9 da question amaga hangi haiba question adudi point out a very significant feature of India's foreign trade throughout the colonial period 1 marks piraga ama hangi aduga question number 17 da khoi 4 marks piraga ama hangi the traditional handicrafts were ruined under the British rule. Justify the given statement by giving 4 points. 4 marks piraga. Sumain dogdana 1 marks ki question amaga 4 marks ki question amaga apun ba mark mangagi khoi gi unit 1 dagi hange 2019 da. Aduga 2018 ki question asi amo khoi nainaragi yengsi kamsidagi karam ba khoi gi topic sing hangi haibido khoi mari chumna khangba ngamgani 2019 da 2018 da khoi gi 1 marks piraga question number 3 si khoi lai haibu question adudi asini which one of the following is considered as one of the most important contributions of the British rule in India A B C D tongan ba khoi option mari lai mari siga sum khoi khangani khoi marks na 1 marks ni aduga haiba 2018 asida question number 10 da amaga mo hangi haibu question adudi identify one of the main causes of stagnation in agricultural sector during the British rule 1 marks aduga atopa question amana haiba question number 25 da amaga hangi haiba question adudi explain the distribution of workforce among different sectors in the economy of India during the colonial period 3 marks aduna question number 3 gi objective type to 1 marks ama question number 10 gi khoi short answer ta 1 marks amaga khoi 3 marks piba question number 25 ta amaga punna mark manga gi adugumba unit 1 dagi khoi question si 2018 da hange aduga 2017 da mug yengsi 2017 da khoi question number 4 da khoi objective type question da ama hangi the intention of the British government was to reduce India to the status of A, B, C, D. Option mari sidagi khoi right answer do khoi khalani. Aduga answer do khoi pirani 1 marks kini. Aduga mathangda question number 9 da amaga mo hangi. Identify one basic infrastructure which was considered as one of the most important contribution of the British rule in India. 1 mark. Aduga atopa khoi 2017 da question number 24 da amaga mo hangi. High question adudi analyze the causes of industrial backwardness under the British rule giving 3 points 3 marks amaga aduna apunba 1 marks ki objective type ama question number 4 da aduga very short answer type ta 1 marks ki question number 9 da amaga 3 marks ki question number 24 amaga apunba mark manga gi unit asidagi 2017 da question ꯃꯔꯤ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ 2016ꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ 2016ꯗꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 27ꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4 ꯃꯥꯔꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ Question number 17 What was the status of India's industry during the British rule? Give 2 points. Akoi scoring ki da yauribasi akoi point amamgi mark ani ani aduna point ani iba matamda mark mari phangani. Sumai tawdana akoi tongan ba area singda industry dagi agriculture dagi trade dagi occupational structure dagi akoi British sing na pirama contribution dagi tongan ba area sing dagi unit 1 dagi haiba question sing asi maroina lai haiba akoi saruk sing asi yamna mamutta na nainaraga yamunna akoi khanaragadi parikha da soidana ki haibi unit asidagi mark manga gi manungla manga amuk phangba yam laina ngamgani haibisi aigi thajabani akoi khuding ngamna honasi akoi khuding mai pakna honasi haiba wahum kharaji thamaga akoi makha satharagna honage aduga matungda aina khoi gi damakta PDF format da question sing asigi answer marik chumna ipiba akoi yengsi matang sida asiguma session asigi oindi loiselle thank you